Good afternoon, friends. Uh, Very happy to be part of a vision which I'm taking forward. I really believe in one thing that we need to be always self motivated, and the self motivation can come to us only once we get an opportunity to be the part of any mission. Mission as such, I should keep one aim or goal which should always keep on motivating me. Uh, the reason I'm saying so, until and unless I don't have any aim or goal which keeps on motivating me, I would be not able to be successful person. I should have something which will really help me to be always be best among others. It is like there are three things which I before also said in my video, one of my video, and in that I just clearly mentioned that the main aim for us is to be happy, and the happiness comes to us continuously when we are self motivated, when we are successful. It is well said by anybody, like when we are in trouble, uh, we see many philosophers and everyone saying this thing to us. When we are in trouble, we have nobody with us, but in that situation, we have to fight alone. So I believe in one thing: when I'm happy, I am not happy because of somebody or someone. I'm happy because of my inner, you can say, inner quality or inner strength which is there within me, which is imbibed in me, which makes me realize that yes, I'm important to be in this world. I do deserve to live a very beautiful and good life. uh, we many times happen that we keep on creeping that this is not happening, this is not happening, this is not good to me, why all these bad things are happening to me, and number of things which negatively comes to us. But I believe that today I can say with confidence, yes, I would be and I am able to answer all these questions which are coming negative to me in a positive way. The first thing which we need to do in our life is acceptance of the situation which is coming to us. For example, now this pandemic, the corona which is happening around us, the virus which has come has changed totally, drastically the living life of everybody. Still, the life has been changed for many people. Life is not easy, but yes, eventually everyone is accepting it. When this virus came to our country, uh, it was hitting so badly to everyone. The whole economy, the whole world across us was in pain. At that time, a person like me was thinking that now what will happen? What is next? What exactly will be the life? How each and every creature in this world will be able to live? Means what is it? Is the world coming to end? This was the question of any common person who is living in this world. But then ultimately I got the answer. Changes is always there in the life. कहते हैं ना, बदलाव जो है ना जीवन का एक हिस्सा है, उस बदलाव को हमें एक्सेप्ट करना होता है. And so friends, I believe in that one thing, that whatever is changed, we have to accept it and we have to go with it. Yes friends, I totally say this with a great confidence. We are the creator of our own life. मी माझ्या स्वतःच्या आयुष्याचा शिल्पकार आहे. वी हॅव हर्ड दिस फ्रॉम डॉक्टर बाबासाहेब आंबेडकर, who was one of the legend who has lived his life. So he said like this, that we are the own doer or a best person for our life who can create our life very beautifully. So feeling very pleasure to share this video with you.